Welcome to the story window, where endless stories begin. Follow at Narasir-san. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, like, comment and share so you don't miss at Narasir-san latest stories. Happy reading and following his adventures.
Tenri and Kendi the Money Jar. Tenri was playing with her clay piggy bank. Clink, clink. Suddenly, Tenri stopped. I wonder how this money came to be. Tenri sedang bermain dengan celengan tanah liatnya. Kring kring. Tiba-tiba Tenri berhenti. Bagaimana ya? Uang ini bisa ada. Tenri tilted her head. Where does this money come from? Long ago, before there was money, what did people use? Tenri asked the silent piggy bank. Tenri memiringkan kepalanya. Uang ini datang dari mana? Dulu, sebelum ada uang, orang-orang pakai apa? Tenri bertanya pada celengan yang diam saja. Suddenly, a large clay water jar in the corner of the room wobbled. The jar had smiling eyes and a mouth. His name was Kendi. Tiba-tiba, sebuah kendi tanah liat yang besar di sudut ruangan bergetar. Kendi itu punya mata dan mulut yang tersenyum. Namanya Kendi. I can help, Tenri, said Kendi with a rattling sound. A long, long time ago, when there was no money, people did bartering. Aku bisa bantu, Tenri, kata Kendi dengan suara berderak. Dulu sekali, saat belum ada uang, orang-orang melakukan tukar-menukar. Kendi explained. For example, Farmer Dad had many pumpkins, but he wanted bread, so he traded his pumpkins for the bread of Baker Mom. Kendi menjelaskan. Misalnya, Bapak Tani punya banyak labu, tapi dia mau roti, jadi dia tukar labunya dengan roti milik Ibu Roti. That's called barter, said Kendi. But sometimes it was hard. If Farmer Dad didn't like the bread, he had to find someone else. Itu namanya barter, kata Kendi. Tapi kadang-kadang sulit. Kalau Bapak Tani tidak suka roti, dia harus mencari orang lain lagi. Then, people started using things everyone liked, Kendi continued, like beautiful seashells or coffee beans. Lalu, orang-orang mulai menggunakan benda-benda yang disukai semua orang, lanjut Kendi. Seperti cangkang kerang yang indah atau biji-biji kopi. That's a value thing, said Tenri. Like my favorite toy, Kendi nodded. The seashell became like the first money. Itu benda nilai, kata Tenri. Seperti benda favoritku, Kendi mengangguk. Cangkang kerang menjadi seperti uang pertama. Finally, people made paper money and coins that were easier to carry. Just like the coins in your piggy bank. Kendi gave a little chuckle. Akhirnya, orang-orang membuat uang kertas dan koin yang lebih mudah dibawa. Seperti koin di celenganmu itu. Kendi tertawa kecil. Tenri hugged her piggy bank. Wow, my money has a long story. Thank you, wise Kendi. Now Tenri knew the history of money. Tenri memeluk celengannya. Wah, uangku punya cerita panjang. Terima kasih, Kendi yang bijak. Tenri pun tahu sejarah uang.